In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you owe vendors, accounts payable, and balances in QuickBooks Online. Managing your accounts payable is essential for keeping your business finances organized and maintaining good relationships with your vendors. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to track what you owe and stay on top of payments. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to make the most of its features, this step-by-step guide will help you review your accounts payable balance and dive into the details of your transactions. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description to get started. Let's jump in. The first step is to log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the gear icon. Click on it to open up QuickBooks Settings menu. From the options in the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll find a complete list of your company's accounts, including all the categories for tracking your income, expenses, and balances. Next, scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate the entry labeled Accounts Payable. This is the account where QuickBooks tracks all the money your business owes to vendors. Once you've found the Accounts Payable entry, take a moment to review the open balance displayed next to it. This figure represents the total amount your business currently owes to vendors. It's a great way to get a quick overview of your outstanding obligations. To dive deeper into the details, click on the View Register link located next to the Accounts Payable entry. This will open the transaction register for the account. Within the register, you'll see a detailed record of all transactions associated with your accounts payable. Take your time to examine the information presented. This includes invoice dates, amounts owed, and the names of the vendors associated with each transaction. This detailed view makes it easy to track exactly what you owe and to whom, helping you manage payments and maintain accurate records. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively track your accounts payable and ensure your vendor balances are always up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.